Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to replace in my 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum. I'm going to replace the vacuum line. What it has happened is I noticed this only when it's in two-wheel drive that it starts grinding. I didn't realize that it was this vacuum. When I did some more research, how your four-wheel drive gets started, like when you turn on your button, it's like vacuum, and there could be a vacuum leak, and it sounds like, here's the front left tire, almost sounds like it's a brake grinding, and I'll show you what it sounds like. So I got the part, got it off of Amazon, if you can read that, and then this diaphragm, that's this right here. So I don't think there's any tools that I need. That's unusual. We'll get this, can I get more light on it? We'll get this taken apart, put the new one in, and then we'll take the truck for a test drive and see what happens. The only thing I do know was when I put it in four-wheel drive, I never heard that grinding noise, and it's not that loud. And I noticed it when I was going like under 5 miles an hour. So if you hear that noise, you may want to just put it in four-wheel drive, all four-wheel drive, just for the time being, so you don't grind any more stuff. So but yeah, let's get this put together and see how it works. So here's the new part. So I'm going to pull, there's like a hose holder right here. I'm going to pull this out. It's stuck on there. It's coming. Well, you would think it's like 10 feet long the way I'm pulling on this thing. Okay, so there's the part. Now you want to insert the new one right in there. Perfect, just like that. Went in easier than planned. So now you got to pull this part off, and I'm going to disconnect this part. I don't want to break nothing. My luck, I'll break something. Just gotta lift up. I'm gonna go get a tool. I know I said in the beginning no tools needed, but I just want to make sure. Hang on. So I got this little pick. Let's see if that helps a little bit. And just as I thought, it broke. Of course, because the other side is not. Releasing. I hate these connectors. Okay, well, that one's broken off. It comes like that. I can always tape it. No, that's broken. No big deal. Be easier to get off next time, right? So, no, I need to get so the bottom goes here, just to make sure. I don't want to get ahead of myself. Okay, I got that. And now I'm going to take the, oopsie, okay, that came off really easy. Something's not right here. If this goes like that, what does this do then? Oh, I see. It goes over here. I didn't realize. I'm like, what the heck? I didn't realize there's like another. I thought there was just 2 suction, but there's actually 3. I thought, what the heck's going on here? Did I order the wrong part? Okay. Now this goes in here, like so. And then this goes at the bottom, but I gotta find out how I can take. How does that slide off? There. I thought this was going to take not as long to do. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay. I see how that goes. That was easy enough. There's the old one. I'll keep it just in case. Then you just slide this up. So for further reference, you slide this up. It snaps right in. Then you take your hose, your line like that, clip this in. There. And it's all set. And then this just pops right back in to where the hose holder goes. And yeah, it's all put together. See, it's all put together. So this pushes down, and then you know, you have to pull that backing out. And when I say the backing, it's this thing right here. You just gotta pull that back a little bit and push down. And then yeah, there's a hose that goes here. That obviously that was, I don't know, I don't understand what this thing is here for. If somebody could put that in the comments, I would appreciate it. I don't know what this is. Why they just don't have a solid line, but anyway. But yeah, and then you got the two hoses here, or lines, and then this plugs right in. I'm gonna take some electrical tape and just add it to it because I broke those tabs off. It's staying in there, but just to make sure. So, all right, I'll take a minute break here and add the tape, and then we're going to take it for a test drive, and we'll see how it runs. Okay, as you can see, I added some electrical tape to it. Everything's all secured, and now we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, I don't hear no grinding. And now I'm going to put it in four-wheel drive, hot 4 high, make sure that works. Well, I think I fixed it. That's awesome. Alright, please subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos coming up real soon. I hope this was helpful for somebody. And if I encounter any more problems, I will let you know. Hopefully not. If it's deep, if the problem is deeper, that's why I have an extended warranty. So, all right, take care, have a good night, and we'll see you again soon.